ki nongialam jongka ACHIK conscious holistically integrated krima hene ka singa artare ku jilliu ki leit kandu yu blat ka jylla CH Vijaya Shankar ban pynsngew halor ka jingdawa ban wanrah ka nongbah Tlang Tura. Apakaran shkila pathai khubor ïadei sangma General Secretary kanika kynhun long nakalyang ka kynhun kalayo ban pynsngew haulan yak kimat ïadei bat kiba nongsynshar jongka karo hills. Shushu long kamat kabakongsan kadai halor ka jingdawa yak nongbah Tlang Tura.
We are from the ACHIK organization, ACHIK Conscious Holistically Integrated Krima. Today, we met our Honorable Governor and we submit our memorandum in various issues like winter capital and influx control and border vigilance issues and codification of customary law and next operational and funding augmentation for Captain Williamson Sangma State University and functionalization and expansion of Barjek Airport, and last one, a demand for new Dadengar districts. So we submitted this memorandum to our Honorable Governor. So today, our issue we have submitted to our Honorable Governor. So we will be discussing about various issues. One of our friends will be discussing various issues.
Good afternoon once again, and first of all, I'm thankful to Shillong Press Club for having this time here all together. And yeah, just like our President have already said that we have met our Honorable Governor and we have submitted a memorandum which contains various issues regarding Garo Hills and overall for state of Meghalaya. So as we met the governor, we have begun our talking and we started talking about winter capital. So winter capital is a very genuine demand and it has been surfacing, and I should say it is the talk of the town in Tura now. Okay, everyone knows now, everyone is talking about winter capital, but I want to highlight a little bit why we are pressing this winter capital. You see, when Meghalaya Statehood was formed in 1972, our forefathers, our pioneers, the founding fathers of Meghalaya, their vision was beyond the statehood. Their vision was not limited to the statehood, their vision was beyond the statehood. Because they also envisionized a future aspiration for the people of Meghalaya, that is for Khasi, Garo and Jentia, to have a way to preserve our culture, to preserve our society, and also to be more established in the society as part of Indian Union. And when we talk about winter capital, we are not talking about mini secretariat and these things. We are talking about for the 6 months we are talking about to have administrative, legislative, and judiciary bench for the whole of 6 months in Tura. So regarding this winter capital, some might have doubt, how this has begun and how this is going. But I want to clarify. You see, when we talk winter capital, some people align this with particular group or particular organization, but that is not there is not true. Not true in a sense like this is the issue of the people. Why I say this is the issue of the people? When we met the people, when we met our the senior people, when we met our senior politicians, we come to know that this was the aspirations of our forefathers. And so when we try to reach to the people, when we reach out to the people in every part of the nook and corners of Garo Hills, then we came to the conclusion that people have the knowledge. They have the knowledge about this. That the vision was there, that the aspiration was there to have Tura as the winter capital and Shillong to be the summer capital. And by saying that, now when we went and discussed with the people, now the people have understood. Now they are saying that this issue is not the issue of any other organization, but this issue is my issue. Now the people are saying, see, the language is changing now. The people are saying, now this issue is my issue, now this right is my right. So now when the people have already understood the issue is related to all the people of Garo Hills, especially for the Garos, we have come to the common platform now. And the voice is one, we are speaking in one tone. So we want to fully let the people know that this is a very genuine issue, and we are pressing on this issue. There are a lot of other organizations, other associations, they are also pressing this, but we are also in that same line, in the same run. So by saying that why we need a winter capital in Tura, you see, when we talk about Tura, located in the westernmost part of Meghalaya, and also when we look at the map on the satellite or anywhere, you can see how it is isolated from the rest of the Meghalaya. So there's a lot of problems for the people. In simple, if I say in simple terms, there are a lot of problem for the people in terms of connectivity. Yes, we are connected by Meghalaya itself, but it is very far. And Shillong being the headquarter of the state, the capital of the state, often our people finds it very difficult to reach here. Say for example, for some official works, we have to reach to Shillong, but the road is very far. It's very far. And see, recently we came to Shillong to submit a memorandum to the government.